Want to clean the inside of your Hyundai engine? Over time, sludge and deposits can build up inside, and an engine flush is designed to help remove them before your next oil change. Today, we're using Liqui Moly engine flush part number 7712. I will link the product down in the comments and description. You add it directly to the old engine oil before draining it. First, bring the engine up to operating temperature. Then remove the oil cap and pour in the engine flush, following the amount specified on the product. Now let the engine idle for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't drive the vehicle more than a few meters, just let the product circulate with the old oil and loosen deposits inside the lubrication system. Now we need to completely drain the oil, so first step is to raise up the car, and then turn off the car. Next up, add some type of barrier between the car and the floor in order to not stain the driveway. Now to remove the oil, we need to remove the barrier to access it, do as shown. But why is cleaning the inside of your engine important? Over time, old oil can leave behind sludge, varnish and other deposits inside the lubrication system. If enough buildup develops, it can interfere with oil circulation and prevent oil from reaching and lubricating engine components as effectively. That can contribute to increased friction, wear, and potentially expensive engine problems over time. An engine flush like this is designed to loosen and suspend some of those deposits in the old oil, so when we drain it, the contaminants can drain out with it. Then we replace the filter and refill the engine with fresh oil. Now, under this bolt is all the oil, so make sure you have something to try and capture all the waste. Here's what we'll be using to capture the dirty oil. Now, add a bit of oil to the filter to make sure the filter has enough for the first start, as sometimes from the top it doesn't quite reach the bottom. Now add the new filter into place. You should only twist it in with the strength of your hand, but make sure to twist it hard. Now screw the screw back into place in order to close off the bottom. Now time for the oil change as per usual. I will link the product used as well in the comments and description.